Okay, today we're going to take a look at pairing 3 of the SPH10 headsets together so they can communicate in group conference, or they can communicate separately, making individual calls to individual headsets. Pretty simple to do. Turn on the headsets. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to press the center button. We're going to hold it until we get the red flashing LED and we hear intercom pairing. We're going to do that. That's we've labeled these. That's number C, or letter C. And this is B. And once we've got it in intercom pairing mode, we're going to hit the center button one time to make a connection, just to confirm that they're connected. We'll get that heartbeat type flash, which is a double blue, then a pause, then a double blue, just like your heart. And put it back into standby. So we've done C and B together. Now we're going to do C and A together. So you're going to start with C always. That'll become clear later why we do that. Okay, so C is now pairing with A. And we're going to, this is A. Put it into intercom mode. Press it one more time to make the connection. Okay, and now C and A are paired. So we can put it back in standby. So we've done C to B, then C to A. Now we need to do B to A. So we're going to go ahead and press B and press A. And now I'm going to press the center button one time. By the way, once these are paired, you never have to pair them again. So as a user, these will be ready to use when I'm done doing this pairing. Okay, and so now we have the double blue. Okay, the important thing to remember with Bluetooth is the last pairing is always your first friend. So in the case of C, C paired last with A, so that's going to be his first friend. Well, what do we mean by first friend? What we mean is that we can press this button one time on C to make a call to A. And you'll see now both have the fast heartbeat. That's because C and A are talking with themselves, and B right now is not joining the conversation. He's still in the slow blue mode there. So we're going to press the button one more time. That's going to take us out of communication mode and put us back into talk mode. Let's say B wants to talk to A. Well, A is B's first friend also, because he was the last one he paired with. He was the first and the last, but he's the first friend. So we'll press one time on B, and we should get a fast blue. And we should get that on A as well. So now these two guys are talking. So I'm going to put them back in standby here for one moment. And so hopefully you can see that we paired them backwards, but because the last pairing is the first friend, now the pairings are the friends, if you think of it that way, are 1, 2, 3. So they go from left to right. So if we want to figure out who's A's first friend, can't be himself, so it's going to have to be B, and C is going to be the second friend. If we go to B and he wants to initiate the call, A is going to be his first friend and B is going to be his second friend. If we initiate the call from C, C has A as his first friend and B as his second friend. Okay, so now let's talk about doing group communication. In this case, we want to pair 2 of them together, then add the third. So we're going to go ahead and talk to B here. So we're going to press A's button one time, and that'll connect him with B here. B's his first friend. Okay, so now A and B are talking. We both have the fast heartbeat pattern, and C is not in the loop right now. But C can join the A-B conference by pressing just one time, because he's friends with A already, so he's going to press this button one time. And now you see that he's in the group. He's got the heartbeat, B's got the heartbeat, and A has got the heartbeat. So now what we've done is we've taken B and we've disconnected him. Let's try that again. There we go. Now B is in the slow blue, but C and A are still in conversation. So you've got an ability to jump in and out of the conversation with 3 headsets. So just pair 2 together add the third one, and then in this case, the middle guy can bow out, and now you still have a conference there. If A now wants to bow out, he just pushes his button once, and now everybody's in standby.